Beautiful, beautiful Adam and Eve. I'll be Adam. Gonna meet Eve. Hello, Eve. How are you? You want to be my Eve?
Well,
You're gonna eat the apple?
no.
You're not gonna buy the
No,
apple?
I don't like apple.
You don't like apple?
No.
Okay, guess what? I'll bite it for you. I enjoy apple. How to eat the apple for me still? I don't do American apple. Which one do you like?
American apple.
American apple? Yeah. Alright, cool. So how are you today?
I'm fine.
You like a run come Saturday, come give you a packet?
I'm glad I got my package.
Is that shyness? You being shy?
Not necessarily.
But? How's your day going so far?
It's
Okay,
okay.
alright. I see you're a returning customer. You like the service?
Yes.
Yes. What in particular? Come closer to her for me. What in particular
Well,
like
you
about
guys
the
are
service?
reliable.
Okay, cool. We are really, say really before. Really
reliable.
Okay, alright, cool. What else? Anything you want to tell me?
Well, I'm glad I got my.
So
Well,
you're,
on time.
you're a
as
masseuse,
well.
by the way?
Yes, I am.
You're good? Are you like really good? Because I have a little touch it and see if it feels stiff. Touch it.
You can book your appointment.
Or even write it. I can book the appointment now?
Yeah,
Alright,
go.
so let's book an appointment. Actually, I joke out the thing. She think we're not going to book the appointment, you know. Well, anyway, pleasure serving you.
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to continue serving you.
I have more.
You have
coming,
more?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Look at you.
I have probably about 2 more.
Look at you. So you'll see me again next week or next week? You'll see me. Something like that.
About.
Alright, cool. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your day. And I'm going to come with my piano. And make sure you don't do the one here. I like that one there. Do the chopper on, let me see. Do the chopper on, let me see. Alright, fine.
No, I don't do the
Let me see. You don't do the chopping?
It's cupping, it's not
Cupping.
Well, you can chop.
I don't know that one there. It's a poke.
Yes.
You go poke. Have a good one, alright? Here we are on the delivery trail. Go poke. Now chop. Have a good one.